What's up, guys? Today we will be reviewing the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in its 2021 recolor for the DKs. It is number 2 of 5 Hot Wheels Torque set, and this is actually an international card. I know I saw some E&F case before, which had U.S. cards for whatever reason. Kind of interesting, but the DKs that we have been getting have been international cards, like always. Let's open it up here. This is a very cool recolor, and I did see, I believe it was on the Ministry of Diecast Instagram page, there is a white one coming out soon. So I am looking forward to getting that, but for now, this gray one is really cool. This is probably my favorite Jesko color. This is the color that I made mine in Forza Horizon 4 and the Crew 2 because, you know, why not? And I really like the green accents. I think all black wouldn't have looked like the greatest, but I feel like the green looks really nice. And they also put those headlights up there, pretty cool. They also detailed the exhaust, but not the taillights. If they'd done the taillights, it would have looked quite a bit better. And let me actually just grab a silver one from over here. It is a pretty cool car, and I can just compare the two. Here they are. So there's not a massive difference, but I think I do like the gray better. I also like how they didn't do the gray stripe, they did the black stripe along the top. I think that looks pretty nice. And there is a look at the base 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko N42 base coat, and that is a pretty cool view. Just imagine seeing that coming down the road. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have seen a Koenigsegg in real life. And this is a pretty cool car, copyright 2020, and yeah, there's just a look at the base in case you guys haven't already seen it. And that is the 2020 Hot Wheels Koenigsegg Jesko. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.